Any brisket at all, I think it is to take your time with it. Don't get too crazy on seasoning. Don't get crazy on injections and this and that. I think a simple clean wood like a post oak or a pecan or a hickory. I think that's all you need. I think as a beginner, doing it slow and low, it'll be a little bit more forgiving than trying to do it really, really hot. That's a little more technical.
So what do you need? You need offset smokers. Is that a must?
It's not a must. It's definitely not a must. I mean, I've done them on bigger Webers,
Okay.
You got to be careful though, because if you're doing indirect, it can catch on fire. You got to watch that.
Yeah.
I think having a drip pan, is really important. You put a drip pan and maybe a little bit of vegetables and half a beer or something. Provide a little bit of steam in there too. We'll add some moisture to it. And not be scared and be willing to give it a try, and every time I'm still learning. Every time I do a brisket, you learn, I could have cut here, I could have done that, and be willing to take a chance and go for it.